Hi Hadi, today we're going to draw an emoji which is going to show that this guy is very proud of himself. So let's start the drawing. First, you can see that I already have drawn a circle here, bigger circle, and I'm going to fill up the inside of the circle. All right. You can see the coloring is going on. Well, we're just going to draw the outlines. As you can see, the colors. I'm just fill up the middle spaces between all the drawings. Okay. So you can see that some spaces I just keep intact. What I'm going to do is that I'm going to put the black colors now. So you know the eyebrows I'm going to draw here like this. This is going to be little deeper in thickness, and I'm going to draw the shape of the eye. It's kind of oval shape. You can see that. All right. Another eyebrow you can see here I'm going to draw. All right. Let's draw another oval shape here. And we can see a line like this. We're going to darken the color of the eye here. Okay. So the drawing is going on. Looks very nice. Another line we can draw here. We can increase the depth. Now let's draw the hands on both sides. Okay, and another hand I'm going to draw in this side too. All right. For the top portion, let's put some ash color. Okay, with the HB pencil. This is the ash color I'm going to put here. And also for this part. And the eye is going to be the blue color. I'm putting the blue color here inside. All right, so the drawing is complete. I hope you like the video. Please subscribe the channel as you like it, and put the bell icon on so that you can have the new updates all the time. You can do a practice at home and the drawing is going to be better. Thanks for watching. You can follow the playlist for more other categories and options. You can follow the playlist. Thank you so much. Have a good day.